Main interface. Click to enter the menu bar. The first option is Inverter Protocol Selection. Select the protocol required for your inverter. The second option shows Individual Battery Voltage Data. Displays all voltage differences. And Battery Temperature. The third option shows Battery Parameters. Includes max-min voltage difference, capacity, power, cycle count, and temperature. The fourth option shows all alarm information. If an abnormal condition occurs, the corresponding alarm indicator will turn red. Click here to return to the main interface.